This demo solves the heat equation in a one-dimensional plane wall under steady-state conditions. The boundary condition on the right-hand side of the wall is a convection boundary condition with an ambient fluid temperature of T sub infinity R and a heat transfer coefficient of H sub R. The boundary condition on the left side of the wall can be chosen with the radio buttons. You can select a constant surface temperature at T sub SL, a constant surface heat flux at Q sub S double prime, or a convection boundary condition with ambient fluid temperature T infinity sub L and heat transfer coefficient H sub L. Adjust all parameters with their respective slider bars and observe the change in the spatial temperature profile shown in the lower left plot and the spatial heat flux profile shown in the lower right plot. The uniform volumetric heat generation rate Q dot can be changed with the slider bar, and the thermal conductivity of the wall can also be changed with the slider bar. Note that to simulate a constant surface temperature on the right-hand boundary, increase the heat transfer coefficient H sub R to infinity.